Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the I menu for quick settings on your Nikon Z30. So when you click on this I button here, you are in the I menu. Now you can adjust the settings that are available here. You select any setting that you want, let's say image size. When I click on it, I can set it to large, medium, or small. Then let's say I want to adjust the active D lighting, and I can set it to off, low, normal, high, extra high, or auto. Then the next thing, let's say I want to adjust the picture control, and I can set a filter basically. And for some, I think for all actually, I can click on the down button to even adjust them further, which is great. But let's say you want to edit this menu, you can also do it. To do it, click on the menu button, go to the custom settings menu on the left panel, then go to controls and find customize I menu. Now you can select the tile that you would like to replace. So let's say I would like to replace the image size, and you can replace it with, let's say, image quality. And now when I click on menu, it's done. When I click on it again, I'll leave the menu. And now when I click on it now, I can change the quality. Well, now I have two buttons for image quality. It wasn't a good option, but yeah, you can see I can now change the image quality to basic, JPEG, JPEG normal, JPEG fine, RAW, RAW plus JPEG basic, RAW plus JPEG normal, or RAW plus JPEG fine. I'll do RAW plus JPEG normal. And now let's click on the to leave out of the I menu, click on the I button again. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.